We're an introduction to aerospace engineering, but it's so much more than that. What our students do is they design a hovercraft for exploration of some planetary system like Venus or Mars or Titan. We do 5 different oral presentations about what they designed, what its performance is like, and how it would work on their planetary system. Which may sound scary, but by the time they're done, they have them absolutely nailed. And they compete with their prototypes in a competition.
The activity is to carry maximum payload down a course in the presence of certain obstacles. It gets really fast within the plane of the floor, and you can actually make the craft easily go unstable. How do you make something go fast but still controllable?
My favorite parts, I would say, were the actual building and testing. We did the programming, the designing, the CAD, the simulations for the airflow. It was really important to work as a team. There's way too much to do on your own.
So the only reason I get away with a complicated project at the end is because I have this first project that allows people to fail. Sensitizes students to be more amenable to teamwork by failing on that first project. The attitude is that somebody comes into the class and they're already engineers. You're at a startup or you're an intern at a company, and this is your project. And we know that you don't necessarily know how to do all these things. You have to go off and do training on those topics so that you can apply them to this activity.
How many were there? You guys got 36? Yep. Oh, you're in the lead.
The target audience is anybody that likes things that fly.
They get really deep into aerospace, but they also get a lot of experience with mechanical and electrical and civil engineering and computer science. And we actually sit down with them at the end of the term and say, what did you like about the course? And where do you think you might want to go from here? It's a really good launching pad for students to go into really almost any department here.